Hi everybody and welcome to the episode. Gonna start off with a confession. I love bagels.
Duh.
Yeah, I know, I'm from New York. It's practically in my bloodstream. But I really love bagels. The problem is they're filled with so many carbs. They're just really untenable if you're trying to watch your carbs or if you're a type 2 diabetic. So I've been looking for the perfect low-carb bagel recipe for years. 3 years ago, I did this one. It was really tasty, but I was inexperienced, had way too many carbs. Then 2 years ago, I did this one, a fathead bagel, low in carbs, but I wanted to do even better. So get this, my friend Jerry has hooked me up with his friend Walter, who claims to have a fantastic low-carb bagel recipe. Now the only thing is, Jerry says he's very eccentric, and he's a huge fan of The Wizard of Oz. Well, so am I, so I figure, hey, let's talk. As a matter of fact, he's going to be Skyping. There he is.
Who rang that bell?
Whoa.
What do you mean, whoa? I'm not a horse. Not even a horse of a different color.
Jerry gave me your Skype number about the bagel recipe.
The bagel? No one can see the bagel, not even me.
This guy's really into The Wizard of Oz. I'll play it up. Gee, sir, I've come all the way from Kansas. Can I please see the bagel recipe?
You mean the bagel? The Bagel Low Carb?
Yes, the bagel. The Bagel Low Carb.
I don't know.
We've come all this way. Isn't there something we can do?
Sing.
How's that now?
Sing a song. A bagel song.
I don't know a bagel song.
Oh, well, no sing, no bagel.
Oh, okay. And we're off to see the bagel, the wonderful Bagel Low Carb. Here it is, a bagel that is with all the ingredients.
You did it. You did that. You do it.
Well,
You actually did it. You made up a song.
well, you asked me to make up a song.
Gee, Jay, we're just pulling your chain. I'm emailing you the recipe as we speak.
Thank you.
This is classic. I can't wait to show Jerry. I can't wait to show everybody.
Show everybody. You were recording that?
Have a nice night.
Well, I may have lost my dignity, but I got the low-carb bagel recipe. Here are the ingredients. Okay, here are the ingredients for our low-carb bagels. First up, 1 cup almond flour, 1/2 cup protein powder, 1/2 cup low-fat plain Greek yogurt, 1/4 cup vital wheat gluten, 1½ teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon xanthan gum, 1 egg, and you might want to use a dusting of carbulose when you're kneading the dough. You can also use almond flour. I have all the ingredients. Let's get to it. Okay, let's do the dry ingredients first. First up, the almond flour. Now, this is just regular blanched almond flour, but I put it through the food processor before to make it more fine. This is the protein powder. This is the vital wheat gluten. Gluten. That's fun to say. Baking powder. Not so much fun to say. Xanthan gum. Salt. Our 1 egg. And the 1/2 cup of low-fat plain Greek yogurt. I used to love the way George Collins said it. Yogurt. Now, simply put, we pulse. Hear that noise? That means it's forming into a batter, into a ball, into dough. I'll prove it. See? That's about right. Now we're going to take it out And we're going to start kneading it and forming it into bagels. Okay, take some of that carb quick, and you can use almond flour if you don't have it. Just spread it out like that. Let's take out that piece for now. So you see, this comes out very sticky, but the carb quick, and I've only used a little bit of it, helps make it much more manageable. See? Very good. All right, now I'm going to weigh this. Be right back. Okay, gonna weigh this. 10.3. So if my math is right, that's about 3 bagels, which I plan to make, at 3.5 ounces each. So just gonna divide this into 3 equal parts. 3.4. That's pretty good for the first try, huh? Okay, that's 1 bagel. 2.1. We're gonna need some help. 3. 3.5. Okay, so now we're at 7.9. I know, long division. And here's our final bagel bowl. 3.2. So they're approximate. I'm not going to go super crazy over this. So forming these into a bagel can be a little weird, but I have a trick. I have these silicone donut molds. These are going to come in real handy. Watch. So part 2 of my idea is to take some of this everything bagel mix and put it here. Now we take our dough balls and we rub it through it like that. See, so it gets all over. That's 1. Do a little bit more. There's number 2. Lastly, number 3. So now you can do this with whatever flavor. You can do it with salt. You can do it with sesame seeds. You can do it with whatever you want. I like everything bagels. Take your non-stick cooking spray. Spray here. Now here comes the easy part. Press in. Also, after you roll it, they don't get as sticky, which is good. Here's another one. Time to make the donuts. I mean, the bagels. Here's the other one. All 3 of them in. Now here comes the magic. This is the pan I'm putting in the air fryer. Spray it. And if my calculations are correct, there we go. Look at that. 3 perfect size bagels. Now into the air fryer. All right, for this and for most of my baking, I use the air fryer oven. It really works well for this. Slide these in. Very simply, 350 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes. It should be 12. Okay, bagels are done. I believe. Oh goodness. Goodness gracious, we have bagels. Oh yeah.
You're out of the dark, you're out of the night. Step into the sun, step into the light. Keep straight ahead, boy.
And we're done. Low carb everything bagels. The cream cheese I bought. Sorry about that. But anyway, these came out spectacular. These are super easy to do. They really are. It doesn't take long to do it the way I showed you. Maybe 25 minutes beginning to end, and then 10 minutes to cool, and you're in Bagel City. These are very low carb, as you saw, and you know what? I have tasted them before. They're really good. So far, they're the favorite ones I've made. I have never tried them with cream cheese, homemade or otherwise. So I'm going to taste it right now. Just look at that. Nice size. Really nice. Here we go. Tastes fantastic. The Vital Wheat gluten gives it some chew, some bounce. It's soft inside. It's doughy. Man, these are fantastic. I love it. That's it for this time around. We're here again in 2 weeks after this show debuts with another episode. Until then, be well, eat good.